Hi guys, today I'm going to be reviewing 3 of Iris Beauty's products, and if you want to purchase any of their things on their website, you can use my code TAWANA45 for 15% off all of their products at the checkout. The first product I'm going to be trying on are their Elixir green contact lenses. They come in this really nice packaging and have 1 pair of contact lenses. This is what the contacts look like. I chose the brightest ones, so I'm so happy with how they look on me. This is the colour Elixir Green. You can see a big difference with my natural eyes compared to the contact lenses. When I put them on, I can't feel anything in my eyes. The next product of theirs I'm going to be trying are their magnetic eyelashes. They come in a really cute box like before with the lashes inside. So these are the eyelashes I chose. I chose them in the shape Intense Beauty. This is what they look like. I love how big and dramatic they are. I chose the biggest ones and they don't need any glue because they're magnetic, so I'll be able to reuse them again and again without them getting ruined. The third item I'll be trying from Iris Beauty is their felt eyeliner. This is what the pen looks like with gold writing. The eyeliner is so easy to put on and it's really quick. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. Their felt pen here. So be sure to go on their website. I'll put it in the description and I'll put it right here so that you guys can look at their website and hopefully purchase their things. And if you do purchase their things, be sure to use my code TAWANA45 for 15% off at the checkout. I'd like to say thank you to Iris Beauty for collaborating with me on this video. And any new subscribers, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye!
You're listening to Redneck.